Hi guys, Monroe Steele here from Fashion Steele NYC, and welcome back to my channel. Do not forget to like and subscribe to stay in the know with all of my new and upcoming videos. There are a lot coming. You don't want to miss them. So we are in my closet and I'm showing you guys my shoe collection because I just got something new in. If you are following me on Instagram, and you should be, and if not, go ahead and click that link down below at Monroe Steele. I showed on my stories a few days ago that I went to Bergdorf's. I ended up buying something. You guys, there's something Céline in here. So I showed on my Insta stories that I got a little Céline something something, and today I'm gonna show you what it is. Get ready, it's good. But first, I'm gonna show you my outfit. I've been getting a lot of questions about this necklace on Instagram. This necklace is Brinker and Eliza. It's so cute and I love it. Make sure to check them out. They have amazing jewelry. They use a lot of shells, a lot of like chunky golds. This chunky necklace is from Brinker and Eliza. This is from Brinker and Eliza. This and this. Like, they make great like little medallion necklaces too. I love all of their pieces. And I know someone is gonna ask about this jewelry case. It comes with this entire closet. It's from IKEA. There's a whole video below in my home decor section for details. So here's my outfit for the day. This shirt I've worn so much. It's from H&M. It's their H&M linen top. I think it's actually on sale. I'll put a link to it below. It's the perfect top for summer. And then I'm wearing my DL 1961 jeans. I love like the little distressed hems. They make like any shoe pop. Details for my outfit can be found below in the description. So I want to show you guys something that I recently got from Rebag. If you have not heard of Rebag, it's like an online reseller shop for designer bags. You can buy gently used designer bags from the site. You can also sell your gently used designer bags. And I got a little something from Céline. If you watch my Instagram stories, you've already seen this Céline pillow bag. I think it's from 2005 collection. So yes, it has the accent aigu. Has the little Rebag tag there. I've actually been working with them. This is just a loan, but I'm considering buying it. Like, what do you guys think? It is super good and it's in really great condition. It has like this little snap, has these little two pockets here, a middle zipper with the Rebag authentication, then another pocket. I just love it. Like, I don't know why, like the puffy bags are in. They actually have a few similar to this on Zara now. Like, Zara is killing the game. But you can hold it like this or like this, and I like love this way. I think this is just super duper chic. It's $1,000 if I end up buying it. I think it's worth it. Like, what do you guys think? Let me know below in the comments if I should keep or send it back. Jesus, I'm falling out here. So now, the moment that you've all been waiting for. What I got from the Bergdorf Goodman sale. Céline. The accent aigu. So Bergdorf's is one of my favorite stores to go get inspiration from because that's what I do. I'm a weirdo. I like to go to luxury department stores and look around and get fashion inspiration, look at the mannequins, see what's new, what's coming out from, you know, new and emerging designers. That's what I do when I like run out of magazines to read, guys. And I've run out of YouTube, like Paris Fashion Week videos to watch. I go to the stores for inspiration. Probably not a good move because your girl loves shopping. The store is literally gorgeous. The sales in the store are a lot of times better than they are online. So definitely go and check out those stores. I mean, you never know what you can find on sale. Even Céline, they actually don't show the Céline products like on the website, which sucks. So you actually have to go to the store to find Céline products for Bergdorf's and for Barney's. Learned that the hard way. I know a lot of people on Instagram thought it was a bag, but no. Y'all know I'm the shoe girl. It's shoes. You know it's shoes. Each shoe comes with its own dust bag. You guys, I'm dead. First of all, you smell that genuine leather? Can you? Through the screen? I wish this was scratch and sniff. Y'all. Y'all. Céline. I've actually been wanting these boots. I really wanted them in the like nude and black color. They sold out so fast at Bergdorf's, y'all, it'll make your head spin. But I'm just happy that I found the black version. I love the 90s trend of the toe box and this heel. When you see this heel, you know that this is Celine. Ah, so good. I'm gonna wear these all fall, all winter. Y'all are gonna be tired of me wearing them, but I don't care. They're Celine with an accent aigu, and I'm gonna be wearing them. I actually found that I'm usually a 41 in any Italian made shoe, which these are made in Italy. But the 41 with this toe box was huge on me. So I had to size down a whole size. So I'm actually a 40 in Celine shoes, or with the ones with this kind of toe box. But they're super comfy. Ugh, I can't get enough. Let's see, originally they were $1,050 and I got them for $600. Not bad. I would have liked for them to be cheaper, but definitely gonna wear the shit out of these, so I feel like it was worth it. They're a luxury shoe. I've actually paid more for some of my other shoes, but very much worth it. They also come with extra heel taps, which is great because I already know I'm gonna wear these into the ground. They actually have a few other sizes left in store that are on sale right now. So if you're interested, head over to the store. They also have these at Barney's. They only have sizes 40, 40 and a half, and 41 and 42. But they have them in green suede, and those are actually $419. Not bad. I might actually go back and get those too. I don't know yet. But just in case you're wondering, not on the site. You gotta actually go to Barney's to find them. I'm a total shoe girl. I am. That's what I got from Bergdorf's. I got a little Celine. Let me know what you guys think about that Celine pillow bag. Should I keep it? Should I send it back? And that's it. That's probably the shortest video I've ever done. But I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you later. Yeah, thanks for watching.